Hi Naturaristas, thank you so much for joining me. Today I'll be showing you how to make hair treatments at home using natural products. I'll show you how to make 3 treatments, and these treatments are going to take about 5 minutes, and these treatments are basically good for hair that is damaged, dry, bleached or dyed. Also, when you apply these treatments, make sure you wait for 20 to 30 minutes before you wash them off, and when you're washing them off, use a sulfate-free shampoo. The first treatment is deep conditioning mask. We will be needing a banana, whole milk, a fork, a whisk, and a bowl.
Smoke still clouds this fleeting hideout, drowning in sleep and pride and silent flight. I like when you traverse my mind. What I've seen is enough, and I'm scared to do too much. Laugh at my problems, even when I should look up to what's behind and see what will come. But no, I bite my tongue, hoping nobody will hear. Cigarette smoke still clouds this fleeting hideout, drowning in sleep and pride and silent flight. I like when you traverse my mind. We drove as far as we could to ignore what's around, ignore all expectations, even when we should.
The second treatment that I'll be making is a cholesterol treatment, and we'll be needing mayonnaise, olive oil, coconut oil, a bowl, a whisk, and a fork.
Cigarette smoke still clouds this fleeting hideout, drowning in sleep and pride and silent flight. I like when you traverse my mind. What I've seen is enough, and I'm scared to do too much. Laugh at my problems, even when I should look up to what's behind and see what will come. But no, I bite my tongue, hoping nobody will hear. Cigarette smoke still clouds this fleeting hideout, drowning in sleep and pride and silent flight. I like when you traverse my mind. drove as far as we could to ignore what's around, ignore all expectations, even when we should hold up to what's behind and see what will come. Scared of talking, drowning my thoughts around. Cigarette smoke still clouds this fleeting high down, drowning in sleep and pride and silent fight. Like when you traverse my mind. What I've seen is enough, and I'm scared to do too much. Left with my problems, even when I should look up.
In the third treatment, you'll be needing raw and refined shea butter, coconut oil, and rose water. Now, this treatment is a moisturizing treatment, meaning it's a moisture routine. Previously in my old videos, I have shown you guys how to make fluffy shea butter. In case you have not watched that video, I've put a link down below so you guys can check that out. And once you check that out, you also need to check out the simple moisturizing routine video that I did, because it will be showing you how to use those things once you mix them up for the third treatment. Thank you so much for joining me. God bless you so much for coming back. In case you're new to my channel, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, share, and come back again. I like visitors. This is a big family of naturalistas where we share ideas on natural products to use on our skin, our hair, and our body. Thank you so much for coming back again. See you next time. God bless you. Bye-bye.